To verify worksheet contains valid and invalid data, you can use circle invalid data command. This command verifies the invalid data entry. If you have added validation rule in your worksheet, then if any cell has invalid data, red circle will appear around that cell. Click at any cell of worksheet. In Data tab, click Data Validation arrow button. Click Circle Invalid Data command. You can see this cell has invalid data. It is surrounded by red circle. To clear red circle, click Data Validation arrow button. Click Clear Validation circle. In this way, you can circle the invalid data if validation rule is added in a worksheet.